Well, we bought the house in 2021, I think, and then started the planning process of what are we going to do, what's this going to look like, which took a while, and we got enough, planning done that we started the following summer with I wouldn't call it demolition. We carefully disassembled this house. A lot of the building materials actually were recycled. So the shingles were recycled, the concrete went to a concrete recycler. I went to the metal place with all the metal out of the house. The copper was worth quite a bit, actually, surprisingly big paycheck for a small pile of wire that came out of this house. But yeah, the design process was quite iterative with us, with Ernest, with the designer, going back and forth with different ideas. What if we do this? What if we do that? I think we used our entire budget for sure with the designer, with all the iterations and questions, right? What if we do this? Or no, we don't want the bathroom at the front of the house in the corner. We want the bathroom over here. And okay, back to the drawing board.
Yeah, to me, it was always, I learned from Ernest every step of the way. And I felt like he asked my opinion, but he also suggested things I didn't think of myself and let me think and decide, right? We never felt like he pushed us.
Even though we made the house bigger, it uses less energy than before, if all the numbers add up, which they seem to. But the most striking thing in the basement was walking around with the thermal camera. The wall is a uniform color. You can't see any of the studs because we sealed the foundation with spray foam, left an air gap, and then framed in the 2x4 walls using the studs from upstairs.
Play Lego, but when I could appreciate the design, they built a house out of Lego, and then I could see how this house was growing and taking shape of what they designed. So, and it's really incredible to see it on a piece of paper, right? A design, and then see it in 3D, and thinking that two people can pretty much build this, and they had so much pride in their work, and I could see attention to detail, and
well,
just really incredible.
Well, not a routine renovation for sure. It's like a real challenge to how do you get that beam up, right? And there's an exterior wall inside the roof truss system that we have to figure out how do you insulate that? How do you create the vapor barrier? How do you make it airtight? And they were well challenged, I think, but they rose to that, and I think they enjoyed it. Yeah, so Fresh Start Projects is a company that I think if you're looking for a contractor to trust and one who's going to deliver and do what they say, Fresh Start Projects really do what they say. But it's not just that they do it, it's how they do it. So we always felt respected by Ernest, by his crew, by the trades that come through here, taking their shoes off at the door. Small things, right? But that when we say, oh, don't throw the cardboard in the bin, we find the cardboard stacked in the backyard. So they listen, they work with you, they work with us, they'll work with you to give you what you want. So if you're looking for a contractor you can trust, Ernest is somebody who you can trust to deliver on your vision, right? He'll help create that vision and then build it.